This is the Sony LINKBUDS S, and it's packed with cool tech. But is it worth your investment? Spoiler alert, it's miles away better than any consumer earbuds I have ever tried. Hey guys, Mark here, ang iyong Medyo Musician, and I'm pretty excited today because it is a piece of music gear that I don't usually come across. Just a disclaimer, I am not an earbuds connoisseur, and the only devices I use to consume audio are the Apple Earpods Gen 2 and a small Logitech speaker, I think it's the X50. It is a different story though on the listening devices I use to create music. I use both a flat response studio headphones and studio monitor speakers. Now, Jamie Inosian, aka Tito James of Unbox PH, sent me the Sony LINKBUDS S just to get my opinion on it and maybe some musician's perspective on it. But before we get into it, if you are new here and if you're into music gear, like guitars, amps, effects pedals, microphones, and you're also interested into the general process of making music, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell para matakel natin lahat yan in my future videos. Starting off, the LINKBUDS S is inside in an all-paper packaging, which is good because nowadays major companies like Sony are now thinking about sustainability and how they can help the environment. Upon unboxing, you'll be greeted by the LINKBUDS S case itself, which houses the earbuds. You'll also have different options of earplugs depending on the size of your ear. And of course, you have your standard USB-C cable and some warranty cards and some documentation. Pairing these earbuds to your phone are really easy. You just need to download the companion app, either from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. So for this test, we'll be focusing on three things. Number one, it's its magic features. Number two is we're going to do a genre-specific sound review or sound test. And then number three, how does it fare in the real world? In this case, how does it fare in a Medyo Musician's world? While putting in these earbuds, you already feel the initial magic that happens. It's what they call the transparent ambient sound. So first few seconds, you'll hear nothing, and then the earbuds will kick in with that specific feature. You can actually adjust this on the app itself, whether you like the transparent ambient sound, where you can hear the world around you, or if you need to focus, you can also use the noise canceling feature. So one of the practical things of using wireless earbuds are the audio and video calls. So the audio that you're hearing right now is the audio being recorded through the LINKBUDS S that is connected to my phone, and I'm assuming this is how phone calls are also being picked up as well. According to Sony, the LINKBUDS S support high-resolution audio wireless thanks to LDAC, their industry-adopted audio coding technology. So LDAC transmits approximately 3 times more data. So more data, more clarity on sound, and they cater to much more bigger audio files. Another thing is that you can quickly toggle between the transparent ambient sound feature and its high-quality noise canceling feature just by tapping on, in my case, the left earbud. I can't hear anything. Suddenly, I can hear everything. Forgot to mention the longevity of the LINKBUDS S can be up to 6 hours plus 14 hours, including the battery in the case. So now we go on to our genre-specific sound test. So obviously you can't hear what I can hear, so I'll just do my best in telling you what specific genres the LINKBUDS S shine on. And for your own reference, these are the songs that I listen to test these earbuds.
Don't you worry, child. So about the kings down to the knees.
So now my sound test, I try to be as diverse as I can. Of course, these are genres that I listen to. Yes, BTS is included. I do listen to BTS. Their songs are really catchy.
BTS!
Now on the app, there is actually an option to use the graphic equalization presets. But for this test, we'll be using just the flat profile. Now, why do we need to do that? I just wanted to test how the physical design of these earbuds would have an overall effect on the output sound. Now, all of the genres sound great on these earbuds, but there are three specific genres that really stood out. Number one is hard rock, which is the song that I listened to was Out of the Black by Royal Blood. Number two is gent, and the song was Reptile from Periphery. Number three, and you'll be surprised, it's K-pop. K-pop just sounds good on these earbuds. And the specific song that I listened to was Permission to Dance by BTS. Okay, so let's do a little bit of real-world test, and I'll be heading out and I'll be having rehearsals with my band, Shutdown Villains. Let's go! Okay, so these earbuds are certified IPX4 water resistant. So kitang-kita nyo naman, pawis ako, galing kaming rehearsal. Well, galing akong rehearsal, kasama ko yung mga kabanda ko sa Shutdown Villains. Tapos actually kanina nagja-jam kami, ginagamit ko to as reference dun sa mga cover na ginagawa namin. So kahit anong galaw ko, hindi siya natatanggal. So it's really reliable kapag ikaw nagja-jogging or ikaw may mas active lifestyle. So this is actually a recommended earbud. If you didn't notice earlier sa sound test, I've been already banging my head, and for some reason, these earbuds won't come off. I still can't get over the fact that how sturdy they feel and how stable they are, even if I'm moving my head around. I have to guess these earbuds were designed to be worn all day. Another real test that I did was, unfortunately, it was quite disappointing. But then again, it's not Sony's fault. Why? Because it's actually very common amongst Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth earphones, and that is using these specific earbuds for live monitoring of your specific instrument. Now I connected these earbuds to my MacBook via Bluetooth, opened up GarageBand, and selected these earbuds as its output. I plugged in my guitar, and lo and behold, it has a few milliseconds or even a little bit of a few seconds of delay. In terms of using this as monitoring live instruments, Bluetooth has not reached that technology yet. But then again, these are not designed for usage of monitoring live instruments. When it comes to sound quality, when it comes to video and audio calls, these are, well, I think the best I've ever used. You can check this out via Sony's website, and it retails at 10,999 pesos. Whoa! That is so expensive just for a pair of earbuds! I have to tell you, after using a lot of cheap knockoffs and cheap earphones, wireless earbuds, of course the Apple AirPods Gen 2, as of this point, nothing compares to the quality of the LinkBuds S. For me. So what do you guys think? Are there other listening devices produced by Sony that can compare to the quality of the LinkBuds S? What kind of earbuds do you guys recommend? Make sure to comment that down below. Alright, that's it for me. My name is Mark. Again, thank you so much to Jamie Notion, aka Tito James of Adbox, for lending me the LinkBuds S, and it's fantastic. I wish I had one. Before I go, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified on future videos all about music gear and music making in general. Alright, see you guys. Bye-bye.